In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backlog in ClickUp. A clear backlog keeps all potential work organized, visible, and easy to prioritize, and ClickUp's built-in template makes the setup fast and consistent. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. On the homepage, select Login so you can access your workspace. When the sign-in options appear, choose Continue with Google, then pick the Google account you use for work. This ensures your tasks land in the right place with the right permissions. Once you're in, choose the workspace where you want the backlog to live. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you select the one your team actually uses so everyone can see the same source of truth. Inside the workspace, click the plus sign to add something new. From the creation options, choose Templates. Templates help you skip repetitive setup and enforce a standard structure, which is perfect for a product backlog. In the template library, search for backlog. When you see a backlog template that fits, click Use Template. You'll likely see another confirmation. Click Use Template again. Give it a moment to create and load everything in the background. This step may take a bit as it adds sample fields, views, and any pre-configured structure that comes with the template. After the template is applied, you'll notice a built-in guide. Keep this handy. It's designed to help you and your team understand how the template is organized and how to get the most out of it in the future. It's a quick reference whenever someone new joins or when you need a refresher on the intended workflow. Next, open the Product Backlog Items section. This is where you'll manage the queue of potential work, things like features, enhancements, and bugs, before they're scheduled. The template typically includes fields for priority, status, and effort, so you can evaluate items consistently and keep discussions focused. Switch over to the Schedule view to see how work aligns over time. This view helps you understand capacity and sequence when you're preparing for sprints or release planning without changing the underlying backlog order unless you intentionally move items. Finally, go to the List view. This is your power view for quick scanning, bulk updates, and structured review. The column layout makes it easy to read titles, priorities, and other details at a glance, and it supports consistent grooming practices so the top of your backlog is always ready. And that's it. You've created a backlog in ClickUp using a template, explored the guide, and learned where to review items in Product Backlog Items, Schedule, and List.